Alright guys, so today we're going to show you how we go from this to this. Let's go. So we have our, gonna figure it out. We gonna see. You should just theoretically just be able to put it in. Does it just spin off? Oh my gosh, this bike is so freaking dirty. Don't pay attention to that. That's not why we're here. We'll come back to that later. Much better. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Alrighty, so what do I have for y'all today? So it's just me. The hubby is out in the streets. He'll be back, but I want to try to get this done before he gets back, because y'all know me, I'm pretty self-sufficient and I try to do things myself. Even though he be there, I've been trying to do it myself. But anyways, today I actually have a product review for you guys. So we had a company, Ben Laurie, reach out to us to do a few product reviews, and so I've been needing to do some things to Ice back here because she's just sitting just nice and stock. So Ben Laurie, you see here, reached out, and what we're going to do today is we're just going to change out the blinker lights and the brake lights. So right now, like I said, she is stocked, and so she has the orange up front and the red in the back. And so let's see what's in the box, y'all. Alrighty, y'all, so let's see what comes in this box here. Open it up, and inside, ooh, look at those nice LED lights. After taking the items out of the box, this is what we have. So after reading the instructions, these are for the front lights and these are for the back lights. The back lights come with some extra adapters on there. So depending on if you have the single prong or the double prong or whatever it's called attachment on your bike, you'll have to make sure you have the correct one on there. This is what comes in the kit. So now let's put it on the bike. Okay, so let's see what it looks like before. This is what it looks like before. Left blinker, right blinker, hazards. All right. All right, so we're gonna first start off by removing the lens. You're gonna need a flathead screwdriver. Let's get to it. Okay, y'all, so they're really simple to remove. You just gotta find the little notch. Easy. Now we're going to remove the bulbs. And you just press, spin, take it out. Press spin, take them out. Gonna figure it out. We gonna see. And you should just theoretically just be able to put it in and turn. And then it's locked in, okay? It ain't working, that's for sure. I have the right button. Yeah, I am. Well, aha. Okay, so let's see here. Looks like I have to change out this little piece here to fit my bike. Alright guys, what you're going to see is that this light set comes with these two adapter pieces. One comes on the light and one comes extra in the kit. And you'll have to change these out so that they fit whatever style bike that you have. All you need is a flathead screwdriver, okay? And all you do is you take it and you, see if I can find it here for y'all. You just take this around the rim and then separate it out and it comes apart, okay? Okay. So you just take it in there, find the little hole and slide it around. And then this part comes apart. Shit. God damn it. Well, that wasn't smart, was it? Hope it still works. All right, guys. Well, I tried to get it done before he got back, but that did not happen. As you see, he's here. I had some issues. So let me tell you about the issues. So when it comes to putting these lights in, you just can't take it out and put it in. It seems that simple, but it's not. I mean, it's simple, but it's not. So tell the people.
You have two nipples on your light. One kind of high right here and one kind of low. You'll see a groove on these Harleys is straight up and down, so you may want to go in that way, don't. But the simplest way I found out to tell people is just put it in and turn. Put it in and turn. It will, you can put it in different ways, it won't go. Don't put it straight up, put it to the side a little bit, and boom. You'll feel it go in and turn slightly.
Okay, see, the problem I was having, I was getting it in, but it kept popping back out, so it wouldn't stay in. So now we know. Okay, so now we got them in. We're gonna pop on the light covers and we're gonna show you what the front look like. Ooh wee. Okay, she bright. How about a blinker? Let's get a blinker. Okay. Other one. Okay. Let's see. Hit the hazard lights. Boom. All right, y'all. We got the front end. Let's pop these back ones in real quick. All right, y'all. So here we are to the back. He's already got one side done. Now I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna do the other side. Get my flathead screwdriver to pop this off with.
Just pull it.
Shit. Alrighty, so now we're gonna remove this part. Boom. We're gonna take out our little light that's in there. Okay, so the key is to line it up, right?
Yep, don't straight up and down is not ever going to be the wrong.
Oh, okay.
There you go. Did it turn? If it don't, just pull it out a little bit, turn a little bit, see it till it goes in the seat. When you push it in, you're going to turn clockwise.
Clockwise, okay. Well, I didn't like that
To the
either.
right. You gotta fight it. It's gonna find where exactly where it want to go.
This was the issue I had earlier.
All right, look. When you're putting it in, you're trying to force it in. It's gonna go in. Once it lets you push, then try to turn to the right. If it don't go, that's not the spot.
Okay.
Oh, you gotta force it. Help you out. Start with more of this angle right here.
What?
So that is more aimed.
Okay, so that needs to go.
That right here.
Okay.
And that's aimed right there.
To that little notch right there.
And stick it in, turn.
Oh, I was turning the wrong way too. Okay. Oh, there we go. Whew.
Patience.
Okay. Now, will you hand me the?
Sure will. Just don't let it frustrate you.
Thank you. Let's put that little notch on the outside so it's easy to get to. Done. Okay. Alrighty, so let's see. what they look like. Left blinker. Hazard lights. And there you have it, folks. Ben Laurie, check them out. All right, guys, so as you see, it is very easy to put these LED lights in on your bike. I have a Road Glide 22 Special. It really would have only taken like 5 minutes, but I had some issues. Hubby came and saved the day. We got them in. But if you like these lights, make sure you check out the link in the description below so you can get a discount when you go shop on Ben Laurie on their Amazon website. Alrighty, y'all. Stay tuned for more. Peace.